At MacTech, we know that finishing consistency is critical for high-volume production. In this demonstration, we're showcasing the Apex TB-1600 top-bottom machine, engineered to process both the top and bottom surfaces of parts in a single pass with 100% uniformity. Equipped with oscillating and rotating sanding discs, the TB-1600 delivers effective deburring, edge radiusing, laser oxide removal, weld-point cleanup, and surface preparation for powder coating, painting, or e-coating. With 2 single-row disc stations on top and 2 on the bottom, every square inch of every part is processed evenly across the entire machine width. Features like variable disc speed adjustment, reversible rotation, constant pass line, pressure rollers, and heavy-duty chain-driven feed rollers ensure smooth part handling and repeatable results. Job after job. Backed by MacTech's 40-plus years of fabrication expertise, the Apex TB-1600 is built to increase throughput, reduce manual rework, and deliver production-ready parts in a single pass. To learn more or schedule a demo, contact MacTech today.